this is one of the few preschools that has actually entered into digital space. And needless to say, my son really enjoys these classes. It's such a fun blend of productivity and learning for him. And more than him, I think it's me who actually enjoys these classes because it gives me this fresh break from my household chores and my boring office meetings. And B, because I think I'm getting a sneak peek into his classroom life, which I would have otherwise never had the chance to do so. I know all the jargons now. I know what circle time is, what story time sounds like. I know all the rhymes that he's actually humming.
Arna was missing her friends, her teachers, and her school. Considering she could not even go down to play with the friends in her apartment, this initiative by Vivero has definitely helped us.
He's very eager to do the activities that is told before the session and during the session.
I just wanted to spend a few moments to really applaud the efforts of the school during these unprecedented times. The team has been working incredibly hard to prepare worksheets, activities, and also to deliver virtual classroom sessions. The first few sessions were pretty focused on getting kids used to the new learning model. Now they cover anything from storytelling, learning about seasons and whatnot. In fact, a couple sessions ago, we had the kids and teachers dance away to glory because they were covering the summer season. I think it was incredibly cute. Thanks, Vivero. I think you continue to stay committed to our child's growth and development, and that means a lot to us as parents.
When you see your little ones learning their part of the digitalized world, you are assured about their future. Abhimanyu eagerly waits for his online classes with meetings with his friends and his teachers and enjoys them thoroughly.
Hi, I'm Prachi.
I'm Sane.
My son Sane really enjoys the virtual classes. He participates in the preparation on the basis of the guidelines provided by the teacher. During the call, he is very attentive, very enthusiastic. It's very exciting for him to meet his teacher and his classmates. He asks me every other day, Mama, are we having the call today with the teacher?
Zena, what do you like about the classes that are conducted on the laptop?
Friends and women.
You like to meet them?
Yes.
Yes? She looks forward to meeting them every week and just having all the activities with them. So thank you, Vivero, for holding the hands of your kids and being with them during these tough times.
I like when Arva teacher and Beena teacher tell that let's see where we are going. Little land on the land. I like to see my friends and I like to enjoy with my teacher. I like to chit chat with my friends. I like to do some fun activities and I like to see my teacher. Bye bye.